Hi, welcome to another video. So Gemini CLI got a massive 2.0 update. Honestly, I think it's destroying Claude. I know there are a lot of people who use Claude code and it's powerful and all that, but Gemini CLI is one of the most powerful competitors in the scene. Google made this completely open source. It integrates directly with the VS Code through their new Code Assist agent mode. And they just added the GitHub integration that turns it into your AI coding teammate. And yes, it's actually beating Claude code on some of the actual coding tasks. Let me give you a context. If you are new to Gemini CLI is a Google's open source AI agent that runs in your terminal. Think of it like Claude code or open code, but with some serious advantages. It's Apache 2.0 licensed and now has deep VS Code integration. Gemini CLI 2.0 update brings agent mode to VS Code, GitHub Actions support, and something they call memory discovery that lets it understand your entire code base without you having to explain anything. The biggest updates are: number one, VS Code agent mode. This means full agentic coding directly in your VS Code. Number two, GitHub Actions integration. This means automated PR reviews and issue handling. Number three, memory discovery. This means it automatically finds and uses the gemini.md file for context. Number four, MCP server support. Now, Gemini CLI can connect to databases, Slack, GitHub, and more. 5. Multi-file editing. This means Gemini CLI can now work across your entire code base. Number 6. The 255,000 token context. This means it handles massive code bases. Now, let me show you why this is better than Claude code. First, we have to install and update to the latest new version. If you've been using Gemini CLI for some time, it means you have to update it. So you'll have to come here on their GitHub repo and copy this command here and paste it in your terminal like that. Then press enter to run it. As you can see here, it's done installing. All we have to do now is just run Gemini. And boom, as you can see here, it opens just like this. And type // you can see all different features that are now added here. We have the about, the auth. Let's just start from the bottom. We have the terminal setup, configure your terminal key, the setup GitHub. You can set up your GitHub actions. You can toggle the vibe mode off and on. Themes. They've added so many different themes that you can choose from here. List of variable tools. This one is not new. The stats, the quit option, privacy, memory, MCP. This is, you can list, configure the MCP servers and the tools, or authenticate with all auth. You have the init, which analyzes the project and creates a tailored gemini.ai file. IDE integration. This one is powerful because it automatically connects to your VS Code. One of these supported IDEs: David, Replit, VS Code, Kesa, Claude Shell, etc. I'm in VS Code right now, so I'll just run this command here to see what that means. As you can see here, it runs in your terminal just like that. And here we have the bag. We have the compress, which compresses your context by replacing it with the summary. You can copy the previous generated code so you can paste it somewhere else. Toggles Corgi mode. You have docs. You can open Gemini CLI documentation in the browser. You have directory, manage workspace directories, editor. You can add extensions now to your CLI. I've been using it with the Gemini Flash free tier and it works amazingly well. You can customize everything. You can customize prompts for specific tasks, automated workflows, shell scripts integration, custom tool extensions. You can create a .gemini/prompts folder and add custom prompts for repeated tasks. Now, the VS Code setup is where it gets interesting. You can install Gemini Code Assist extension and you automatically get CLI agent mode built in. All you have to do is come on the extensions tab and here on the search, just type Gemini Code Assist. It is going to look on the marketplace for extensions and it's going to come as the first option here. Just install it. This is the extension that's going to give you all the capabilities to use Gemini CLI in your VS Code. This is something that Claude Code is not able to do. So yeah, this is better than Claude Code if you ask me. With this extension, you get coding assistance powered by Gemini CLI, contextualized responses to your prompts to help guide you on what you are trying to do with your code, source citations regarding which documentations and code samples and assistance used to generate its responses, automated code reviews in GitHub with Gemini Code Assist for GitHub. As you can see here, it's done installing. Down here we have the tab for Gemini Code Assist. This is what you want. So now you can click on this. When you click on that, you get this tab this side, where you can now, for instance, sign in with your Google account for you to start using this. Then after logging in with your account, you see this panel in action, and down here you have a switch to switch between chat and agent. Agent mode is where the magic happens. Let me show you how powerful this is. I'll give it this prompt down here so it can analyze this Next.js app and find performance issues and fix them with the proper memoization and code splitting. You can click on send. Because it's an agent, you are going to see what it's going to do. Here it's going to analyze the entire code base, evaluate, think, to make all the things, the proper planning, reviewing the file structure, deconstructing the layout. It shows you exactly what it will change. It implements the fixes across multiple files, even updates your tests. Read many files failed, use read files, thinking, analyze everything that's happening here, implementing the changes, read file. It will reach at a point where you have to accept the editing for it to make the changes to edit this file. So all you have to do here is you can either click on accept or click on this drop down, which actually allows you to accept always the editing feature. That is just the same as the CLI. And all this is happening in VS Code. Do you understand how powerful that is? Can Claude Code do this? I'm sure they are going to implement something like that very soon, also in future, because this is the way. And Gemini CLI is making a lead. The agent is working behind the scenes in background. You're not even doing anything here. I'm not doing anything. It's writing, it's reading files. This is the power of Gemini CLI in VS Code. And here it's asking me to run. If you want, you don't run. If you want, you can run this, just run. And just like that, as you can see down here, the agent has completed its task. It's saying it's successfully deleted and created files and completed the performance optimization of the Next.js application. Let's talk about memory discovery. This is genius because you can create a Gemini.md file in your project root, like the way it is right now, and the Gemini CLI Code Assist automatically uses this as a context file for your project. This means no more explaining your project structure every time. MCP server integration. Maybe you want to connect to your database or Slack. Just add MCP servers. And to do that, you have to just run this command here, Gemini -mcp database Slack or GitHub. Just like that, you'll be able to connect your MCPs. On my personal coding benchmarks, Gemini CLI 2.0 is getting 8 out of 10 tasks completed perfectly, compared to Claude Code, which is getting 7 to 6 tasks completed perfectly. And Open Code, I tested it to 5 out of 10 tasks completed perfectly. The best part is the free model support. You can use this Gemini CLI with the free models like Google's Gemini Flash, free tier, or Grok's Llama models, which is free, any open router model, even local models through Llama. The fact that it's open source means that you can inspect the code, modify it, and know exactly what it's doing. No black box stuff. If you're paying for Claude Code, try Gemini CLI with free models first. You might not need to pay at all. So download it, set it up with VS Code, and let me know how it compares to what you are using. Subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.